So here's what I got going on. My buddy Thomas from Extreme Car Audio hooked me up with a little portable system for being able to charge batteries, iPad, controller, what have you, while in the field. Basically what I got going on is two sealed batteries, just wheelchair batteries that I bought cheap from Harbor Freight Tools. Uh, got a 2000 amp inverter from I think it's Ampeak. I had an 800 one, but just wasn't able to handle charging all the batteries and a controller too, and an iPad. So had to go to a 2001. That is my Venom charger, which charges 4 batteries. Plus, it'll also do a remote transmitter. So I also got a USB, I think 2.4 output for if you got to charge an iPad. And I've got 2, which I keep on here. Also, my boy Thomas doing a fan. You can see it back there. What that does is it's charging, or not charging, but it's cooling my batteries. So once the batteries come out of the Phantom 4, they get thrown up there, cool off quicker, so I can throw them back in there, start them charging. But all in all, it is a great setup. He gave me room, so now I can put the giant case up under here when I need to. I usually just keep it in my back seat when I'm rolling. But yeah, a great setup. He's also gonna put 2 more fans in just here and here to circulate the air for that battery charger, and those are going to be strictly solar powered. This one fan can be turned on or off, and there's another blower right there for moving the air around the inverter. He also installed that right there, which is an isolator. And what the isolator does is when I'm charging batteries, when the car's not on, it separates my main battery so that it'll never be drained down. Once it gets to a certain point, it disconnects. So that well, I shouldn't say once it gets to a certain point. It disconnects when it turned up, when the engine's turned off. So it's just going to pull off of the batteries off the back. When I go to start it, all 3 of them are connected. So I get the full power and the power from the alternator coming back to charge these. And there's a little voltmeter right there, always telling me where my battery is. So I'll put a link in for how to contact them, but it's a cool idea.